Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the Selenium WebDriver architecture. First, we will understand the Selenium 3 architecture and then we will discuss the Selenium 4 architecture. Because there is a difference in both the architecture, so I will explain both here. So Selenium supports multiple libraries such as Java, Ruby, Python. It means that we can write our code with any of these programming language in our IDE. After we trigger the test scripts, the complete Selenium code written in the IDE will be converted into the JSON format in the background. So why we use JSON here? JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It is a lightweight data interchange format which transfer the data between a client and a server. On the web, JSON wire protocol acts as a mediator between the client and the server. Because server do not understand any of these programming language, so JSON wire protocol use a process called serialization, converting an object data to JSON format, and deserialization, converting JSON format to object, and make client and server communication possible. So browser drivers are used to communicate with the browser. Each browser has a specific browser driver. So when we write a script using one of these language, generated JSON is sent to browser driver through HTTP protocol. Actual browser receives the request from their respective browser driver and perform the action on the application according to the request. The browser respond back to it driver with the output, and the browser driver send back the response received through the JSON format via HTTP protocol to the client. So let's discuss about the Selenium 4 WebDriver architecture. Unlike Selenium 3, Selenium 4 has a direct communication with the server. It does not use JSON protocol here. So after we trigger the test script, the client will send the request to the browser driver directly. And browser driver will send this request to actual browser. Actual browser will perform the operation on the web element and will send the output back to the driver, and this browser drivers will send the response back to the client. That's how the communication in Selenium 4 happens. So that's why there is no need of JSON, as it is interacting with the server directly. So that's all about Selenium WebDriver architecture. Thank you.